Good afternoon, everybody. Okay, today I will revise from your text. I told you yesterday that today I will revise from your text, and at the same time you should read. Good evening, you cannot see me. Okay, let me see. Anybody? Ananya and Tori. Tori, can you see me? Please write yes or no. Tori? Camera is, I think, is going on. No. Some problem is there, I think. They cannot see me. Okay, I think now you can see me. Ananya, please write to me. Yes. So, chapter number 4. Chapter number 4, I have told yesterday that Sunita Williams, Kalpana Chawla, sorry. So, you know that tragedy in space. So, here Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed as a child in Karmal. So, here that question can come like this, that Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana, but was naturalized US citizen, married to flight instructor John Payer Harrison. So, these things you please remember. Okay, just I will tell that, please remember these things. Where was she born? Where was she born? Where was Kalpana born? And so here 3 options will be there. So there only you can get that right option. Please take that right option. The Karnal, Haryana, was a naturalized as US citizen, married to a flight instructor. So these things also please remember. She was licensed to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes. Here she was also certified flight instructor. And also here first paragraph, so after a Bachelor of Science degree in aeronautical engineering against great opposition from her father, she went for a master degree to the United States of America. These things just I am, okay beta Shaptra, no problem, but I am just telling some important things. From that line, these lines sometimes question can come. Okay, sir told that please read that date also. So here from which institute she had done her graduations, and also that aeronautical engineering degree from which university she had done. Please read all these things. So Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut. That also you should know. I think you know, and also again you should read thoroughly this chapter. I am reading only important part. Here page number 48. Okay, Kalpana began to consider another challenge, applying to NASA space shuttle program. She was first hired research scientist at NASA. In 1994 she was selected. So please remember the 1994. Why? Because she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. So this date is also very important. Next, that's a paragraph number 5. Kalpana's first mission is in the space shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours, 34 minutes long. So please remember this, 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes. Because this time MCQ questions, so any question can come from here. So here 16 hours 34 minutes long. During this time she went around the earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. So 250 times and also here 10.45 million kilometers. 10.45 million kilometers. So this time only the crew included Japanese and Ukrainian astronauts. So crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in space and test for making stronger metals. And here the price tag about $56 million. So please remember this amount, $56 million. Here, then after that, on the Saturday night when the news was about Columbia disasters broke, there is a shock and disbelief. You know that. So that's why it's a tragedy. The town of Karnal spent a sleepless night as thousands of households stayed glued to the televisions. Sheds and a hope that Kalpana and crew had somehow survived. But she did not survive, you know that. So here that the path from the dreams and success does exist. Also what happened here, adapted from the span January-February 1998. So please remember all these things, especially the date, and also here first paragraph means just first introduction. Here one thing is there, please remember that Kalpana Chawla and 6 others broke apart in flames as a streaked over Texas towards its landing strip on Saturday 1st February 2003, killing all 7 on board. So this line also, this date also please remember, 1st February 2003 on Saturday. Shuttle lost contact with NASA about 9 am 19.30 hours IST. As it came in for landing, it was flying at the altitude of over 2 million feet and 2 lakhs feet and traveling at over 20,000 kilometers per hour. So these things please remember. Columbia had lifted off on 16th January 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center. So lifted on 16th January 2003 from Kennedy Space Center, Florida. It had stayed the orbit for 16 days and 7-member crew conducted 80 experiments before it began to downward journey. This was Columbia's 28th space flight and the shuttle was said to be good for 100 flights. So these things please remember. So that's why I have read only specially for the date. So you can remember and you will give that exam very nicely. And MCQ exam for this multiple choice type of exam is very good for you because you should read thoroughly all the text. Sometimes you only read the question answer. So you can read the textbook and especially all those chapters you are having in your syllabus. And Kalpana Chawla syllabus, this text, this piece I have read because some dates are there. Again I will revise another chapter also. So whatever I have read, please read very carefully. Next chapter, that Tarot's reward. Okay, Tarot's reward, you have known that young woodcutter named Tarot lived with mother and father on lonely hillside. So these small things please read. So where did he live? Lonely hillside. And also what did he do? He chopped wood in the forest. And you know that he saw when actually they are too much poor. His father also did not get food, and at that time hillside it was too cold. They did not get that warm food, warm clothes, all these things. And everything, actually he had old parents, so he need some foods for them. So he was thinking, and actually he was very good and kind, and he was thinking that where and how did he earn the money? So he was chopping the food for whole day. After that, when he was so warm, he had to take off his jacket. His mouth was dry, his face was wet and sweat. So my poor old father, he thought, if I only he was as warm as I, because they were feeling cold, he was feeling hot because he was doing work for the whole day. And at the same time, he heard, and when he was searching for the water, he heard some sound. He had seen the magical spring, and there waterfall, a beautiful and beautiful, not only beautiful, it was a magical for him. And how he is also truthful, he had drank the water, not only that, he drank water, and he was thinking it was a delicious shake instead of cold water. So Taro quickly filled the pitcher he had with him and hurried home. He had also given this water to his parents. They were also very happy. They also got taste of the shake instead of water, cold water. So he did not hide it from his parents. Not only parents, also the neighbors also. He told all these things to his neighbors. He gave all the waters also to the neighbors. They also, at the first time, they got this taste. But when they have got this waterfall, this magical waterfall, they thought they also would get this type of sacks instead of water. But Taro was very kind and great. So only he could get sacks instead of water. But other neighbors, they did not get. So they were thinking Taro lied to them. So here the question also can come that how they did fill some words meaning here like this: muttering, tricked, intended, so many meanings are there. Greedily, greedy means actually that is also, it's sometimes temptations. Greedy, we want more, desire for more. So temptation also another type of word. That is also the synonym of greed or greediness. Intended means like planned. I intended to do. I want to do something. So here some 3-4 words are there. You should read the meaning. If you don't know also, you can think, you can ask to my CRC portal, no problem for that. And also now you can ask if you are having any problem. So here tricked, tricked means deceived. That neighbor thought that Taro deceived them because they did not get the delicious sacks instead of cold water. They have got the cold water. Why? Because of Taro's habit. Taro was a very good man, great man, kind man, and it was a magic waterfall. So he sent for the young woodcutter and he rewarded him the 20 pieces of gold for having. Word meanings, whatever Sarah has told, I have just told 2-3 meanings. Whatever here is there, no, greedy, intended, muttering, tricked, I am not telling the new things. Whatever Sarah has told to you, that things you will read. I am just revising that you can remember, okay. Okay beta, please Joita, no need to give that no need to tell anything or any message to another one. Only you can send that needy message or anything. If you, whatever you need, please give to me. So, here that rewarded, who rewarded? The Emperor of Japan to the young woodcutter. What? 20 pieces of gold for having been so good and kind. Then he named the most beautiful fountain in the city after Taro. So, that is also one thing. So, he said Emperor was to encourage all the children to honor and obey their parents. So, that is one thing. That is not only the story, it is also moral story. So, this story and this story I have revised. Tragedy of Kalpana Chawla and Taro's story. And after that, one story is that different kind of school. Here also, great deal about Miss Beam's school. Okay. So, here 2-3 meanings are there. It is, I had heard a great deal about Miss Beam's school. But meaning, if it is not important also for exam, please read something. After the exam also you read. If you don't know the meaning, how can you read? Here, insight, you can understand. You are in class 6. So, insight means to be seen. Kindly means friendly. That plump, stout. What is the meaning of stout? Stout means, do you know? Stout means strong. Okay. So, plump. Actually, we are telling the little plumpy. Plumpy also plump, stout, little bit fat here they have given. Also we can tell strong. So, here some things are responsible, aware of their duties. So, here her eyes were covered with bandage and she was being led carefully between the flower beds by a little boy who was about 4 years younger. She stopped and it looked like she asked him who had come. He seemed to be describing me to her. Then they passed on. So, how was he feeling? So, that is why Miss Beam was all that I had expected, middle-aged, full of authority, kindly and understanding. So, like this type of things, all these words like this, I can tell Miss Beam was all. Like this, number 1, middle-aged, number 2, full of authority, number 3, kindly and understanding, and number 4, all of these qualities. So, you have to ask, despite and in spite, actually we are using prepositions like this, despite, after that we are not using of, despite being we are using, and in spite of. Please remember these things, in spite of we are using and despite being. All these are meaning besides, B-E-S-I-D-E-S. So, prepositions when we are using, please remember despite being and in spite of. We are not using after despite of. Okay. So, here I am just telling, and the real aim of the school is, what is the real aim of the school? It's not so much to teach thought as to teach thoughtfulness, kindness to others, being responsible citizens. So, all these things please remember. Okay. So, here like this, some things are there. No more than is needed to help them to learn how to do things, simple spelling, adding, subtracting, multiplying and writing, and rest of the done by reading to them and interesting talks, during which they have to sit still and keep their hands quiet. There are practically no other lessons. So, here some things from there. So, I have told that how is Mrs. Beams. Next question, the real aim to the school. Like this type of question will come. So, please remember, only if you read thoroughly you can do all these things. And after that also, it's a very important part of your stream to make our children appreciate and understand misfortune. Okay. So, whenever you will do some good thing, we should appreciate you. Always. Not only for you, also you. You also, whatever your mother is doing in your home. I am not telling, that is only revising. So, that is the thing. You should also tell mother, your mother also should tell to you whatever you are doing, that is appreciating. So appreciate we should do, and also everybody can do the mistakes. That time we should understand our misfortune. These things please remember. So here some small things you should remember this. So here, don't you ever be, oh no, she exclaimed, that would be cheating. So I had no idea it was so awful to be blind. Like this, sometimes we are thinking that we are playing like this, we are doing the blind. So that time also what? Do we cheat or not? Like this, we should always think about like this. So this is another type of school that where they will learn so many things. Okay. So here also come to talk awful. So this meaning, you know, everybody, awful means very bad. Thoughtless, thoughtless means careless. Misery, misery means difficulty, sadness, some unpleasant things, all these things you know that. Only I am just giving the reminder. Troublesome, it's also difficult. Okay. So if you are having any problem, ask sir. So today also the class will be finished for our some problem, network problem, we could not join the class. So this class will be going to the YouTube. Okay. Thank you for joining. Bye beta, and all the best for your exam. Please give. Exam will be very easy. Notice carefully and give the exam very carefully. Thank you beta. Have a nice day.